most these days stuff is so expensive, and like if you want to now get yourself a DC set brand new from Canal, you will
What's
pay
a
like
lot?
10K. You
Are
will
you
pay
looking for a
10K.
set? Are you looking for a set?
I'm the kind of person like my cousin told me, look around first. I tell him maybe, hey, I don't have time for that kind of things. I want to get myself one what is look and not like
Yeah,
so complicated.
yeah, it's a good
You
one time. So do you have? Can you do a mix for me? Like right
like
now, as we speak.
how can I say? I have the software on my laptop, but in the software I use like Voice DJ. So basically,
Oh,
what
yeah.
happened was like my PC couldn't handle it too much because one day it works, one day it doesn't want to work, and then I had to delete it, and then I had to want to download it again. But then it's like,
So
ish,
it's not.
it's not
Yeah.
like, and you know what? If
But
you want to
this
download